we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
We've head south over the Daintree River. We just went over the ferry. Didn't see any crocodiles this time, unfortunately, not like last time. Basically, we're trying not to go down too far too quick. We're just heading down to Port Douglas. We're going to do a bit of shopping in Mossman, get some fuel, get some supplies, and I'm going to set up at the Port Douglas Big 4. We did stay at the Port Douglas Big 4 already. We really enjoyed it. It was really nice. The pool was beautiful and warm, and the kids absolutely loved it. Made some friends there, so we know that it's good. It was a bit tricky trying to find somewhere else without heading too far south, so we sort of settled on going back to the Big 4 for 2 days. We're going to have an unpowered site this time because everything's booked out anyway. But so yeah, we're going to sit there and relax and do some swimming, and we'll just have a bit more of a look around the area.
Hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
How's this little creek that we've just found? I'll take you out there to have a look. Beautiful crystal clear water, you can see straight through. Have a look at this.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us.
How nice is this, dude?
I'm gonna go fill the water.
You feel the water?
This is what I'm
Yeah, you probably don't want to go down where the pipe is, you go.
What kind? Oh, yes.
Is it freezing? Beautiful little creek, but it is freezing cold, Ollie said. There's really nice little area for some picnics or relaxing.
The pipe just ends on the left. Hello?
There's also rope swings off the trees and everything as well, which is pretty cool. You'll be able to hop in and stand up, won't you? How far up does it go? I wonder where the shelves have come from.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it.
You again, okay? So walk backwards, back and swing.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Exciting little thing to do today. We're going to take Ollie to this Barra fishing farm. It's called Hookabarra. Ollie's super excited about it, which is going to be cool. It's going to be really cool to see his face when he catches a nice good sized barramundi. So we'll take you in and we'll have a bit of a fish. We're going to do an hour fish, Ollie and I, and the girls are going to watch. Maybe Kiana can pick up a rod and reel in a fish as well. We'll see how we go. See you next. This place looks awesome. He's about to give the barra a bit of food. Check this out. Oh yeah. Massive. He's hiding. We'll film this guy here. Come here, little Derek.
He's nice about it. We just have the unfortunate pleasure of he grabs fingers.
This guy's spoiled. He thinks he wants that.
Gotta be a bit quicker, buddy.
Yeah, no.
Quick,
Go.
quick.
They eat it so quickly.
You'd have a mouthful going by now, wouldn't you? No.
That's what happens when they got a mouthful.
Stand back, Bob.
Oh, keep it in the bowl. You gotta hold the line first, yeah, and then flick it over. There we are.
Oh.
Hey, stop it. So, when we hold him, grab both the orange and the black. Together. One hand up the belly. Okay, you've got to support him like that. Right.
You on? Have you got one, Ollie?
Go on, Ollie.
Wind it in. Keep going. Big one. Hang on. It's coming to help you. It's coming.
So, hang on. Off head there, on your belly.
That's it.
So, lift the rod tip up.
Yep. Good
Line on
job.
the way down. Just be nice and relaxed about it.
Yep.
He's not a marlin. He's a little baby barra. There he is. Alright, stop.
Yay!
Ta-da!
Yeah!
One barra to
Nice.
I'll be back in a sec, buddy.
How was that?
Massive. Wait, right when Dad caught a fish, I got a fish. Oh, now Dad got one as well. I got two. I got it.
Yeah.
I can't believe I caught a massive fish.
A few moments later.
Professional fisherman. Is it in your belly? Yeah. Keep going.
Just roll it back. What do I say? Roll it backwards?
Keep going.
Because it gets it out. Oh, he got you there, didn't he? Check your hand, sir. Make sure he didn't get you.
Keep going, Ollie. Keep winding.
Another one, Ollie.
My second one straight away.
Alright, buddy, I'm going to put a new lure on there for you because he done eated your lure. You want a photo with him?
Yana?
Quick, yes, no.
Yes. Fishing going, Yana. Good.
What colour do you want, buddy? That's a pretty special one.
I'll probably get...
That one?
How cool was that? I caught 4, little Ollie caught 3 as well. And so I reckon that first one, I reckon was about as big as you. It was huge. I got some battle scars, I got some cuts on my hands and everything as well. That was pretty cool. They said that that last pond, so we went to the first pond to start catching fish and we didn't catch anything, which doesn't surprise me at all because I never catch anything unless it's squid. But yeah, even Ollie didn't have any luck in the first pond. Then
I did catch 2, but...
Oh, you had some nibbles, didn't you?
Yeah, 2 nibbles, but they didn't come.
Yeah, that's right. Spat it back out. And then, so the barra in the front pond, he said were
6 to 12.
6 to 12 years old, so they're massive, but they've seen everything, so they don't often, or not as often, they're not biting on the hook. So he took us down with another couple, took us down to pond 4. These ones were 12 to 14 months old, I think, from memory, and they're still obviously a fair size from what you could see. But yeah, it was pretty cool. So we caught 4 and Ollie caught 3. Got some cuts, got some fish. I lost the lure as well, classic. And yeah, that was an awesome experience. That was really good.
Yeah.
12th of the 7th, 91 centimeters, 91 centimeters. Biggest barra ever. 92 centimeters, that's crazy. 127 centimeters. Dude, I'm pretty sure you're 127 centimeters.
Biggest fish?